Welcome back to the boringest channel on YouTube. Today I'm cooking these Kahn's Wieners, made with pork, turkey, and chicken. And there's 10 of them in here. Usually a pack of hot dogs has 8, but this pack of Wieners has 10. So there's a good look at those Wieners. Here's just the tips. I have my baking sheet ready. I have my oven set to about 350. Just opened it up. These folks have been making wieners for a long time. Alright, let's take a look at one. Well, there it is. Hey, and the camera's focusing this time. That's nice. That's a good looking wiener. That's a wiener that smells good too. Oh yeah. And there they all are, spread out on the pan. These are some juicy wieners too. A lot of juice in them. Look how much juice is in there. Like I said, folks, these are some juicy wieners. Let's dump out the wiener water. Alright, here we go. Put my wieners in the oven here. Alrighty. I'm gonna let them cook for about 15 minutes. They're whistling wieners. Wiener whistlers. Whistle wieners. Oh yeah, I'd say they're done. After 16 minutes. And here we are with the finished product. Doesn't look like they split either, which is good. Juicy wieners. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna try Kahn's Wieners. Well, these have a pleasant flavor. Interesting. They're good. They're not like smoky flavor. I can't really place what sort of flavor they are. But they do taste good, I can tell you that. Real easy to chew. That's a good shot of them all right there. Anyway, these are definitely good wieners. I got them on sale. They were like $2.79 or something a package, but not bad. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.